Hi babies, welcome to my channel. My name is Irelie, and for today's video we are going to have a math tutorial. Well, just a basic math tutorial, but I can assure you that you will learn something. So our topic will be about fractions. So if you want to learn fractions, then this video is good for you. Please finish this video, okay? So, are you ready to learn fractions? Well, I'm ready, so let's start. Fractions. A fraction is a number which represents a whole number which divided into equal parts. Fractions has a numerator and a denominator. Examples: 1/2, 1 as the numerator and 2 as the denominator. 2/3, 2 as the numerator and 3 as the denominator. Two or more fractions that name the same number is called equivalent fractions. For example, 3/4 is equals to 6/8. Now, can you find the equivalent fractions of 1/2? You can pause this video to find the answer. Did you find the correct equivalent fractions of 1/2? So let's talk about conversion of fractions. Please take note that we can only convert improper to mixed fractions and vice versa. Never convert mixed to proper or improper to mixed. How to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions? First, multiply the denominator to the whole number. So, your answer plus the numerator. So, plus 1. Then, copy the denominator. That is equals to 5/4. So, another example is 4 and 1/2. Okay. Denominator times the whole number. Your answer plus the numerator. Copy the denominator. So your answer is 9/2. It's your turn. Can you convert 10 and 2/5 to improper fraction? So the answer is 52/5. Did you get the correct answer? Now, we are going to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. For example, 9/2. What we are going to do is to divide the numerator to the denominator. So the answer is 4, 1. The quotient shall be the whole number. The remainder shall be the numerator. Then, copy the denominator. Another example is 5/4. Divide the numerator to the denominator. So 1, 4, 1. The quotient shall be the whole number. The remainder shall be the numerator. Then copy the denominator. So your answer is 1 and 1/4. Your turn. Can you convert 35 over 19 to mixed fractions? Answer is 1 and 16 over 19. Did you get the correct answer?
Now let's go to adding and subtracting fractions. First, let's add and subtract fractions with the same denominators. When adding fractions with the same denominators, just simply add the numerators and copy the denominators. So, 5 plus 2, copy the denominator, which is 10. The answer is 7 over 10. When subtracting fractions with the same denominators, just simply subtract the numerators and copy the denominators. So, 4 minus 1, copy the denominator, which is 5. The answer is 3 over 5. Next, let's add and subtract fractions with different denominators. To add fractions that have different denominators, you can write the fractions as equivalent fractions that have like denominators. Now let's find the equivalent fractions that have like denominators of 7 over 8 and 2 over 3. And we get 24 as our common denominator. So 7 over 8 plus 2 over 3 is equals to 37 over 24. Or we can simplify it into mixed fraction. The answer is 1 and 13 over 24. To subtract fractions that have different denominators, write the equivalent fractions that have like denominators. Now, let's find the equivalent fractions that have like denominators of 2 over 5 and 1 over 6. And we get 30 as our common denominator. So 2 over 5 minus 1 over 6 is equals to 7 over 30. It's your turn. Can you find 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3? You can pause this video if you want. The answer is 1/2. Did you get the correct answer? Let's move to multiplying fractions. When multiplying fractions, just simply multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Then write the product in simplest form. 3 times 2 over 4 times 3, that is equals to 6 over 12. Then let's simplify. So the final answer is 1/2. Let's multiply 1 over 3 and 8. So 1 over 3 times 8 over 1, since 8 is a whole number. So the answer is 8 over 3. Then let's simplify it into mixed fraction. So the final answer is 2 and 2/3. Now let's go to dividing fractions. We have two methods when dividing fractions. First is the reciprocal method and the second is the cross multiply method. Let's answer the given example using the reciprocal method. Get the reciprocal of the divisor, then proceed to multiplication, then simplify. So the answer is 3 and 3 over 4. Now let's use the cross multiply method. Multiply the numerator of the dividend to the denominator of divisor, then multiply the denominator of dividend to the numerator. So 3 times 5 equals 15 over 1 times 4, that is 4. Then let's simplify. So the final answer is 3 and 3 over 4. When dividing fractions, you can use reciprocal method or cross multiply method. Now it's your turn. Find 5 over 8 and 3 over 4. You can pause this video so that you can solve. The answer is 5 over 6. Did you get the correct answer?
Hey baby! So, did you learn something from our tutorial? So, if you learned something and you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button.